can see this thread work, you can see the kardana work, and plus you can see this curve portion, very good for press delivery if you want in any segment, in same color, same design. If you want 1000 piece, we have available stock available. Hello YouTube family, how are you all? I hope you are fine and good. So today I brought you handwork edition kurtis collection. You can see on the table very beautiful piece in grey color. You can see the neck area as well. It's going to be in pure sequence work. How beautiful this kurti is looking. If you want to own all these collection, don't skip this video, watch till the end. You can see the next piece as well. It's going to be in the lavender color along with the dhaga working, and you can see the lining as well. In every kurti you are going to get the lining, and if you're owning a business from outer states, maybe from USA, Sri Lanka, Nepal, whatever country, you can own this collection by sitting at home. We have door-to-door collection available, shipping available, plus if you're watching this video within India, we have COD facility. You can order one set also. In one set you are going to get ML, XL, XXL and 3XL. Along with it, if you liking this collection, take a screenshot. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly send it to us, WhatsApp us. You can see this next very beautiful collection. You can see the working as well, you can see the dhaga work, you can see the sequence work, you can see the sleeves as well, and this is also going to come with proper lining. And if you're planning to come to Surat, if you are in Surat, you can directly call us. We are going to pick you up. And if you want express delivery, if you want in any segment, in same color, same design, if you want 1000 piece, we have available stock available right now. You can see the thread working also, you can see the lining work also, you can see the beautiful thread working on the neck area. So all these collection are going to be under 400 rupees. You can see this next mehendi color, very beautiful. You can see the whole thread working on the neck. Along with it, you are going to get proper lining of cotton. You can see this next beautiful collection. This is also going to be very beautiful. You can see the kardana and the dhaga working. You can see the neck area. You can see the dhaga working. It's going to be in the cotton blend fabric. And you can see this next collection, which is going to be in proper dark light green. You can see this thread work, you can see the kardana work, and plus you can see this curve portion, very good for plus size ladies. And you can see this beautiful lining in this. All these collection are just for B2B, not for B2C, so don't call for a single piece. And you're watching this video till here, so comment down below from where you're watching this video. You can see this neck also, sequence work, dhaga work. If you like, you can see this yellow color. And if you want to own all these collection, for you are just one call away. You can own this collection. You can see the neck area as well. You are going to see the dhaga work, you are going to see the sleeves work, and you can see this beautiful piece. All these collection are under 400 rupees. You can see this blue color as well. You can see the dhaga work as well. And the last collection is going to be in the pink color. You can see the dummies as well. All these collection are very affordable, so don't miss this opportunity. You can see the number on the screen. This is your channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.